In this video, I'm going to share a fixed up version of the layer lock command that we created in a previous video. I thought I already did this. Maybe I did and I can't find it somewhere, but if you recall the previous version, we had some struggles with the layer lock fade control not updating. I've since fixed that. I'm just going to set the variable to 50, something a little more reasonable. But yeah, so I have that issue fixed. Sadly, I've actually found the solution before. I lost the code. I recreated the code, had to figure it out again. I recreated the code for this tutorial, lost the code, had to go look at my own YouTube channel to find the code, recreate it, and then figure out what was going on. So I guess the quick Lisp lesson for this week is to stay organized, and you'll get a lot more done way sooner. So anyways, if you're wondering what I deleted, is I had the extra lines in each if case that would turn the layer off and on, and I thought that was solving the problem, but something had kind of thrown me off and it wasn't. So what I actually had to do is grab this variable, the layer lock fade control, store it in a local variable called fade. Just toggle that control to whatever. In this case, I'm putting it all the way up to 90, but this is just an arbitrary number. It might not work if this number happens to be the same as your setting. I haven't tested that out yet, but that would be a very rare occurrence, so I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, we just grab the variable right here so we know that we're storing the user's preferred setting. We're just setting it to an arbitrary value and then setting it back to the user setting. And then you also need to do a regen. You could do a regen all, but in this case it seems like the regen is working. So if I load this, go back into my drawing, everything should be fixed up, and I will be sharing this code in the comments below.